So, in front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and I will show you how to enable power saving mode. So, we will either go into settings, this is the first method, and go under the battery, right here, and from here you can check off the power saving mode, just like so, and once I check it on, you will see the hours increase right here from 26.5 to I guess only like about an hour more, not the greatest, but that's how we enable it. And you can also enable ultra power saving mode, which will basically make the device be a little bit more limited, but as you can see, went black and you have access to essential apps, and yeah, now the battery will stand way longer time. And if you like to leave the mode, you can just tap on the little icon on the top right here, like so, and then tap on exit, and now it's back in the power saving mode, as you can see. And there's also a easier way to enable this and disable, which would be right here. You can just drag it here, go back, and from here you can either flip it on and it will go instantly into this mode, or you can also hold it and it will take you to the settings, straight to the actual place where you need to be, where you can, say, disable this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.